All right, everybody, it's Dave and Louisa from Sell House Columbus. We're here with another seller, Miss Jeannie. And Jeannie, are you excited to sell the house?
I am so excited to sell the house.
Yeah, it's been a little bit of a journey, and this is a particular one. Well, maybe you could share with us why was it that you were selling the house to begin with?
It was a divorce. We were separating, parting ways, and just looking to take the easiest route for everybody.
You know, we talk to a lot of people going through the same situation, and the best thing you can do is sell the house as is. And I'll tell you why, Jeannie. You know, whenever you're going through a breakup, a divorce, or a separation, whenever it comes to putting money into a house, no one can ever agree who's going to put the money in, how are you going to get reimbursed. I mean,
Yeah,
that would be a nightmare. So you were able to kind of sell the house in its as is condition, right?
absolutely.
Yeah. And some things kind of came up while we were in the process of buying the house and whatnot. And those things that came up on inspections and whatnot, I think there was like some plumbing stuff and there was some cleaning and there was some mold and whatnot. You didn't have to put any additional money into this, did you?
No, in fact, it was during the worst part of the winter that everything just kind of changed with my house, and it wasn't anything that I was asked to address. It was all handled with ease, from my perspective. Yeah.
So, and what was your experience like working with Louisa and our team here? I mean, would you say she's a good communicator and whatnot?
Absolutely. Everyone stayed in contact. Any question I had was answered immediately, although there were very few questions to come up because everything was so straightforward and I was kept in the loop the entire time.
And Louisa, are you excited to get this thing done? I know Louisa worked very hard on this, didn't you?
Yep, I'm so happy. I'm glad.
Absolutely. And Jeannie, what would you say to somebody else who wants to sell their house fast, easy, conveniently, and just get this thing done?
Going through the Columbus Sale House would be the way I would absolutely recommend anybody to do it. It worked out swell for me.
And you're not a paid actress, right? I mean, we're not paid.
Not at all, no.
All
Just someone
right.
who's happy to be selling her home.
Absolutely. Well, if you have a house, if you're watching this video and you have a house you want to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, contact us today online at sellhousecolumbus.com or call us 614-300-5151 and you'll get the opportunity to talk to me, work with Louisa. She works extremely hard behind the scenes and we'll get it done for you just like we got it done with Jeannie here. So, our number again, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave. This is Louisa and Jeannie. Any final words, Jeannie?
And no, I'm just very appreciative. And if anyone does call, the whole process started probably 15 minutes after my very first inquisition. So from the beginning, everything was on top of it.
Yeah, we work hard in communication. You know what it is, Jeannie? We don't outsource the relationship. We don't
Yeah.
outsource the connection with people. We genuinely love people. And Louisa, anything else?
Nope, just it was a pleasure working with you, ma'am.
Awesome. Thank you. I feel the same way.
All
Thank you.
right, and we will see you on the next video.